Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. My name is Angel. Today I am doing this haul video in English for my non-Malayali friends. All these kurtis I bought it from Ajio website when the offer was going on with 70%, so I could get all this for 200 rupees. I know you cannot believe it. That's the reason I am putting the screenshot as well. If you're watching my channel for the first time and if you like to watch haul videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video you can hit the like button as well. If you don't like, of course you can dislike it and you can give the comment as well. And all these kurtis are very good and I really liked it. I could get only small and XS size, and all these kurtis, most of these are from Avasa, and only one, the cream color one, is from Siahi brand. I will show you the kurtis one by one so you will get a better idea. This kurti is from Avasa brand and I bought a small size, which is very long actually. It is having 115 centimeter length, which is very good length actually. It will suit for everybody, even for the tall people it will suit. And it is having band collar, and it is having that coconut shell buttons along with the tassels with contrast color, which is looking very beautiful. And only the first button we can open, others we cannot open. This is sleeveless kurti and they have given small sleeve inside the kurti as well. So if you want to wear, we can wear it as sleeveless or we can attach that sleeve as well. And the bottom part is the highlight. It's looking very nice, and this material is very thick. It's not just like a normal cotton. This is very thick cotton, and the design also looking very nice, and it is having that golden color design with the floral design, and then that mountain design is also there. This fabric will definitely last for long time, and the stitching is also very good. They have done small stitching which will stay for long time. We don't need to worry about the stitching at all. And inside also they have given the overlock, so we don't need to worry and we don't need to put extra stitch. This is an ideal party wear for us. It is not looking very grand or it's not very simple as well, and I really like this product. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand and I bought size XS. This kurti is also sleeveless kurti and they have given a small sleeve inside the kurti. The color of the kurti is actually a little confusing. I thought it is purple, but they have written it is a maroon bug because it has that purple plus that red domination, which is really looking good. This also will suit for everybody because of the front portion, which is the highlight of the kurti. It has that golden design on top of that golden fabric, and the sides they have given the contrast color blue material, and on top of that they have given print as well. And the neck, if you see, they have given embroidery, and on top of that they have given that sequence work as well, which is looking very nice. And they have done different kind of stitching. If the cutting also, it is different. It has that frock kind of cutting. Bottom part of the kurti is also looking very nice. In the edge they have given that golden print design, which is looking very nice, and this is also giving a rich look to the kurti. We can pair it with the same color legging or normal pant as well. And this fabric is also very thick, and they have written as polyester, but it's not normal polyester. Maybe it is kind of a mixture. This is also, we can use it for any function and it will go very well with the same color pant, or we can pair it with golden color pant also. And stitching of the kurti is also very nice. They have put overlocks, so we don't need to worry about stitching. You can see it is very thick, the material, and this will definitely come for years. They have given the printed border in the back side as well, which is looking very nice. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand and I bought XS size, and this is having a mandarin collar and there's an opening in the front. Rest all buttons it is attached, we cannot open it. This is having very nice features, and if you see in the sides they have given that contrast color stitching, which is looking very nice. And this is cotton fabric, which is very comfortable. And the sides, if you see, they have given that golden fabric. It is like a jacquard material, which is looking very nice. And they have given one pocket as well, so we can keep our mobile kerchief or something. And the front portion, I really liked it. Along with that button, they have attached that small extra bell kind of a thing, which is looking very nice. And this fabric, as I said, it's 100% cotton, and which will be very comfortable for us. And in the bottom part they have given a slit. There is no slit in the sides, but only in the front portion, in the bottom side they have given the slit. So we can wear it with palazzo as well, it will go very well, and the front open will give a very nice look as well. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Siyahi brand, and I bought S size. When I ordered, I thought it will be rayon fabric, but it's very thick fabric. You can see it is very thick. It's not soft rayon material. It is thick fabric. I will show you. And the back side, it is having this colorful fabric like kalankari. And in the front portion, all the way down, they have kept the buttons. And it's a low high kurti, but very no slight difference between the back piece and the front piece. It is having a slits in the both the sides. Only in the front, like a small ribbon, they have kept this extra design, which is similar to the back side piece. And the stitching is also very nice. They have put very small stitch, and it will last for long time. This is having 3/4 sleeve, and in the sleeve as well, they have kept the same fabric similar to the back side. Sleeve also we cannot open this, though it is they have just folded and kept the same strap and one button. It is stitched together, so we cannot open it, and it is very thick. And let me show you against the light, you will understand the thickness. I put my fingers inside this sleeves, you cannot even see it, and see against the light I kept it, still we cannot see anything. So this is very thick, and I cannot just believe that this is normal rayon. Maybe like this also rayon comes, and this is very comfortable, and it is really thick. If you want to order, if you get it for the discount, you can purchase it. The original price of the kurti is 999. This is also having the pocket. Let me show you the next kurti. Out of all 5 kurtis, this is the kurti I liked a lot because of this mirror work. It looks very simple, but it is very elegant. This is from Avasa brand, and this is small size. And the highlight of the kurti is the mirror work which they have given in the neck as well as in the sleeves. And it has mandarin collar, and it's a V cut in the front, and the 4 buttons with contrast color, which is looking amazing. And this is navy blue color because of the lighting, and the backside red color is having some reflection on the cloth. With the naked eyes, it looks beautiful. And this is having that princess cut, which will give us very good shape when we wear it. And this is having this 3/4 sleeve. The sleeve also, it's looking very nice, and it is having pocket as well, which is highlight of this kurti as well. And this material is really thick, it will last for years actually. And even I cannot even believe that I got it for 200 rupees. And that sale was only for very less time, and all the kurtis got over very quickly. I added couple of more kurtis, but unfortunately, well, at the time of billing, those all got out of stock, and I could get only these 5 kurtis. If you have the plan to buy good kurtis, wait for the discount, and buy all these kind of kurtis when the discount was going on, so you will get it for very less price. If you go to buy these kurtis without discount, it might cost minimum 600 or 700 rupees. So it is always better to buy when this discount sale is going on. If you like to watch the haul video, or if you like to get the review of the kurtis or online products, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, you can hit the like button. If you dislike, of course you can dislike as well. And if you have anything, please comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.